Are you looking for a digital banking option or curious about Current? Well, in this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at Current, including some of the key features. Hey everyone, this is Kyle from Money at 30, and on this channel we look at personal finance from a millennial perspective, including app and tool reviews like this one. But before we go any further, I do want to mention that today's video is actually sponsored by Current, and you can sign up for them using the link in the description or in the pinned comment below. For being a YouTuber who reviews a lot of digital banking apps, I've managed to miss a pretty big one up until now, Current. You may have actually seen Current promoted on this platform elsewhere, including from Mr. Beast, which was one of the ways that I first heard about the company. But is Current legit, and what do they have to offer? Let's take a look at some of the features that I think make them stand out. The first thing to know about Current is that while they're not a bank themselves, they do partner with Choice Financial Group. Like many popular digital banking services, Current works with a licensed bank to provide their customers with important features such as FDIC insurance. In this case, deposits are held with Choice Bank, so all account funds are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor. Because of this, if you look at your account info and do a routing number search, the result will show that the account is a Choice Bank routing number. While this all may be a bit confusing, it is indeed legit and is a good thing overall. Next, Current has two main account options, a basic tier and a premium tier that comes with some additional perks. When you first join Current, you'll have the choice to sign up for either a premium account or a basic one. With the premium, you'll get several perks, many of which we'll talk about in a moment. You'll also get this black debit card, which should arrive within 7 to 10 business days from when you open your account. While the basic Current account is free, it does come with some limitations, such as only being able to create one savings pod. As for the premium, it comes at a cost of $4.99 per month, but you can cancel at any time. Keep in mind that many of the features we'll be discussing throughout this video are exclusive to the premium account. A popular benefit of Current Premium is that when you use it to directly deposit your paychecks, you can get your funds up to 2 days early. I've actually been using Current for a few months now, long before they came on as a sponsor. Upon joining, one of the first things my wife and I did was arrange to have her paychecks from her part-time job deposited to Current, giving me a chance to see how this feature worked. Luckily, the app makes it easy to set up direct deposit, even giving you access to a voided check if needed. Something to be aware of is that while paychecks may arrive as early as 2 days before your typical payday, this will depend on how your employer processes payroll. In our case, Current usually alerts me that her funds have been deposited on the Thursday evening prior to her regular Friday paycheck, which is definitely nice. One premium feature that I was curious to try when I first got my card is the instant refunding of gas station holds. To see this perk in action, I made a point to head to a station I knew often puts large holds on accounts. Sure enough, after swiping my card, Current alerted me that a hold of $151 had been placed on my card. But after I finished pumping, I got another alert saying that $131.89 had been refunded and my actual purchase price had been reflected in my balance. Obviously, this is hugely convenient for those who have been burned by such holds in the past and helps ensure that it won't happen again. Another benefit of Current is their debit card points program that allows you to earn rewards at select stores, restaurants, and gas stations. When you tap the points icon in the Current app, you can view a map of nearby locations where you can earn reward points by using your Current debit card. For basic users, eligible purchases will earn 1 point per dollar spent, while premium users will see enhanced offers that could go as high as 15x points, with most coming in between 2x and 5x. In my area, I found offers for Qdoba, local restaurants, Little Caesars, and more. Plus, there are several gas stations that not only offer rewards, but also display the price per gallon in Current's map. Just be sure to activate the offer right before you're ready to use it. Another thing I really appreciate is that the point redemptions start at just $1. And for what it's worth, you can also use points to cover your premium monthly fees. If you're looking to set money aside easily and painlessly, then Current savings pods can help you do that. Whether you're saving for vacation, a down payment on a car, or a proverbial rainy day, Current savings pods allow you to better manage those goals. To create a savings pod, first put a description of what you're saving for, select a preloaded icon or custom image, and then enter the amount you want to save up. Once a pod is set up, you can arrange for a one-time or recurring transfers that will help push you closer to your goal. Plus, if you're looking for an even more passive way to save, you can turn on the roundup feature. With this enabled, Current will round up your debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference into your pod. It's just another easy way to enhance your savings. Finally, I want to mention that Current customers have access to thousands of fee-free ATMs and that the app offers mobile check deposit. Although digital banking is great, there are still some old school features that I'm glad Current takes care of. For one, Current debit cards can be used at more than 55,000 fee-free ATMs. To locate these machines, just tap the dollar icon in the app, scroll down to withdraw or deposit, and tap to load the map. On the other end of the equation, if you end up with a paper check, Current allows you to deposit it in the app by taking photos of it. Yes, this is a feature that is absolutely nothing new, but it's one that other apps have killed off, so I'm glad that Current keeps it as an option. Overall, I've really enjoyed using Current over the last few months, and that's not only thanks to the actual features, but also the super sleek and easy to use app. Looking around Current, it's easy to see why it's proven so popular. Even beyond the perks, the user interface of the app just makes it enjoyable to use. This includes such small touches as the shifting colors that are on display in the U tab and elsewhere. Plus, there are features that I didn't even have a chance to cover, such as the ability to block brands from debit card purchases, manage spending limits, and more. For all of those reasons, I think Current is a solid option for those looking to make the jump from traditional to digital banking and want to see what all the hype is about. Hopefully this answers some of your questions about Current, but of course, to learn more or to open an account for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description box or in the pinned comment below. Also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe because we have new videos every week. So thanks again for watching, and thank you again to Current for sponsoring this video, and I will see you next time here on Money at 30.